Tomorrow I'm checking into Sofitel Legend the Grand Hotel Amsterdam for a luxury hotel stay. So I thought it would be fun to show you exactly what I'm packing. Whenever I watch these videos, I always discover something new. So let's pack together. For this, we obviously need a suitcase. And I'm so excited because this is the first time that we are using this suitcase. So I am going to test out this suitcase all later because I want to give you a full-on clear review after using it, not while opening it. So as I mentioned, we are going to the Grand. We are staying for one night and I'm going to film a luxury hotel review, obviously, because I always do that. And I'm super excited to visit the Grand. I have been there before, but only for a high tea and for Mother's Day also. But I have never actually stayed there fully. So I'm super excited to experience it. I will obviously take you along for the ride. You can expect that video to go live next week. So make sure that you're subscribed. Alright, so first let's plan the outfits because that is obviously the beginning. So we're only staying for one night, as I mentioned, so that means that I need an outfit for tomorrow during the day, the evening, the next day, and that's it. So those are 3 outfits, but I only need to take 2 in my suitcase, obviously, because the other one is what I'm wearing. It's going to be 22 degrees in the afternoon. But around the time that we arrive, we'll probably go pretty early because we're only staying for one night. So it will be around 18 degrees. So I need a jacket. So I was thinking to wear this during the day. I really like this Steve Madden dress. But I'm going to wear this during the day. You guys, this trip is not what I usually do. Okay, this was super last minute. I believe it was Friday or Saturday. Let's go to stay a night at the Grand on Tuesday. So here we are, yeah. So yeah, totally depending on what we are going to do. I'm also going to take a backup outfit. This is for the arrival, at least. With my Valentino heels, this necklace, these earrings, yes. So this is not going into the suitcase. By the way, something I always bring is this little bad boy over here. It has a dirty and clean side. It has 2 zippers. So it is truly ideal for your laundry. What I actually used to do, I used to always put my laundry in just a plastic bag. I mean, I would put that in my suitcase. But this is way better. Definitely a game changer and definitely something I recommend for you to bring wherever you go. Okay, so I have decided that I'm going to take multiple outfits. Big shocker, I know. So I actually always do this. I always bring multiple outfits so that I don't end up in a situation that I'm like, oh, I should have brought that one. That one is perfect for this thing that we're about to do. I never want to have that situation. I had that situation before and it sucks. I'll show you a couple of things that I got from my closet. So this is basically one of my favorite dinner dresses. It's from Mash. It is so cute. It has like this in the back. It has these sides open. So I am definitely bringing this as this is one of my favorite dinner dresses. So it can probably happen that I want to wear this to dinner. And then another thing that I thought for during the day, I want to bring a jeans with me just in case we are going for like a long walk or anything. So this, my Cloudy Perlow, just with a cute jeans for during the day. Then we have probably for the next day or for at the hotel at some point, I don't know, this very cute yellow top from Scotch and Soda. I love this top. And I was thinking maybe on this skirt. I've never wore it. It's brand new. There's a price tag. So I thought maybe that as an outfit. And I think that's it, guys. I am also going to take my gym clothes. Yes, my gym clothes. Because I am in the midst of making it a habit to go to the gym every morning. So that includes the morning that I wake up at the Grand. I will let you know how it goes, but that is the plan. More about that is a totally different video, so I'm not getting into that, but yeah, just saying. Then what I always bring with me are my 2 pairs of black heels. Obviously, this one is the one that I'm going to wear tomorrow, and this one I want to take with me because maybe I will wear it at dinner. So I'm taking these both with me. I am still deciding if I want to go on my heels and just take an Uber, or I want to go on my sneakers and I will just change over there. But I basically want to do some footage in front of the hotel. So yeah, so I think I'm just going to wear them and take an Uber, or I'm not sure yet. I'm a Libra, guys. I'm never decisions. Not a good thing. And it's time for the accessories. So I'm going to take 3 of my sunglasses, my Prada, which is, I love my Prada. This is basically my fashion sunglasses because I just love the way it looks. Then I have my regular sunglasses. It's just basically big glasses, brown, golden logo here, matches with everything. And also my Louis glasses because it's my newest edition, but it's basically green and it has smaller glasses, which is very new for me. But I bought these in Vienna. I think they're so cool. Then for my bags, I actually always take all 3 of my bags. Do I always wear all of them? No, but I want to have the choice. This is favorite during the day. It has the back charm that I got in Paris, so cute. This is my favorite for the evening. Don't you love the color? I love this color so much. I was in the store and I was like, I actually need a black bag. And then I saw this and I was mesmerized. I was hooked. I was in love. There was no way that I was going to leave without any other bag than this one. So yeah, I love it. It matches so well with black dresses. Oh my god. And this is my little cutie for during the day. It's either this one or my pink Gucci one. I choose this one if I'm wearing some crazy color and pink doesn't match. How cute this is. It is so small. It is so small. I regret that I didn't buy a bigger size, but look at it. It doesn't fit anything, so it's a little inconvenient, but it's cute. So I'm bringing all 3 of those. Whoever said I was a light packer, I'm not. An accessory that I'm also always bringing is my Celine belt. So that is always coming with me because it can elevate an outfit like by 100. My Givenchy necklace is the very first designer necklace that I ever bought. It always goes with me, but I'm not always wearing it because it's kind of a big thing. But I love it. So the only thing that bothers me a little bit is that it's turning all black. Then my cute Dior bracelet. I love this bracelet. I just hate putting it on, but it's so pretty. It's giving me a headache. Then I always take 3 pair of earrings with me, at least 3. These ones, my Valentino ones, these ones, and my Brinker Eliza ones. Look how cute. Also this necklace, but I'm probably wearing it. These earrings, I am probably wearing it. And my rings, obviously. I'm still thinking about a jacket, but I don't really have, I need like a cute leather jacket. I don't really have one of those. I basically have blazers. One of the blazers I really love. If you are a die-hard Gossip Girl fan, you might recognize it because this was worn by Blair Waldorf in season 1, I believe. And I just love the details on it. I just love the details on it. So this is my favorite blazer. So that is it for the outfits. So it's basically time to get packing. It's not a mess in here. What on earth do you mean? So I'm basically done packing everything besides all the toiletries, but they are going in tomorrow morning, obviously. I have a lot of space left in the suitcase. It's insane. I can build down maybe 3 more layers, if not 4. So there's a lot of space in here that I love. And the gym clothes, obviously. I still have to... I'm washing them right now, so tomorrow morning also with the toiletries. And the final thing that I pack and that I always double check because I cannot redo it is every single thing that I need for my camera to be able to film properly. So I'm always taking 2 batteries, my camera obviously, the tripod it stands on, that goes into this bag, and I have another tripod for my phone so that it can record the same time for my YouTube but also for Instagram. So I make sure my 2 batteries are fully charged, but I also take my charger with me just in case. And voila, I almost forgot my slippers. That's why even I still work with a packing list. So then everything is packed. Make sure to give this video a like if it has helped you in some way. And then we are ready to go to the Grand tomorrow, and I cannot wait to take you with me.